Hello and welcome to week 8. So this week, following on from the work that we did last week, both in the lectures and in the tutorial, we're going to dig a bit deeper into exploring what the legal considerations are in relation to various aspects of blockchain. Now, there are so many of them that we are going to effectively identify some of the issues in a way that you can do a deeper dive into the ones that really interest you as you explore the second assignment that is now available for you to start working on. And so in a nutshell, I want to look at some of the issues that come out of cryptocurrencies in particular. I want to look a little bit more deeply at smart contracts, which we started looking at last time, and I want to focus on NFTs. So that's what you can expect as we move through these podcasts or videos, depending on how you're looking at them. And so I'll crack on in the next one, starting off the discussion around cryptocurrency. I'll see you there. Cheers.